Shivashankari, PhD research scholar. My topic is load balancing cloud computing for the server request data center. Under the guidance of Dr. V. Vishwapriya, Assistant Professor of the Department of Computer Science. My content is introduction, objective, tracer survey, different tools and techniques, the comparison method of performance evaluation, conclusion and reference. First one, introduction. The cloud load balancing is the practice of even distributing traffic, workload and client requests across the multiple servers running in a cloud environment. The effective load balancing allows organization to meet the demand of cloud-based workload while improving performance, enhancing reliability, minimizing downtime and reducing latency. That is use of many users to connect the internet. It is a load balancing is for distributing the traffic of workload is to the client and client to server to the enhance the performance and the enhancing reliability, minimizing the downtime. To reduce the low time of the workload to send the data. Next, it is objective. The search techniques to calculate the shortest path between the source of destination, biologically inspired from the behavior of natural ants. The example of natural ants, the use of the source of food, it is disconnect to the minimizing the long of path. It is capable of achieving complex tasks alone. Uses stigmergic communication via phoneme trials. Stigmergic is indirect communication via interaction with the modifying the environment. On-demand it is use of my paper to on-demand preemptive self-scheduling, maximum queuing energy aware request protocol and a task time intensity rate. Next one, content. It continues. For this techniques improved by the MQEARP is a framework which offers absolute average speed up based on the maximum number of features. It is finally by analyzing the differing priority of users talks suggest the ODPDS. It is the on-demand preemptive self-scheduling. To use the effectiveness can increase the productivity and optimize server's resource allocation while lowering the chance of server tasks. To evaluate the critical server handling parameters including energy consumption, processing time, queuing length, demand and request delay patches. The use of the evaluate the server handling parameter to energy consumption, processing time, it is the queuing length, demand, it is use of the lowest time of intensity rate. It is for use of the cloud load balancing. It is a server request data center. Next one, it is a survey of my papers.